Hi everyone, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I'm so excited today. I'm going to work with resin. I'm using up the last of my epoxy from the Epoxy resin store. This is just the premium quality brand. And my inspiration for this piece is this cute pen with a big giant diamond on it. I mixed up probably 100 mils, and I've got some clear here, and I've got just a little dip of this Tester's copper paint in here just to make it a little transparent. And then I added some chocolate diamond, and I wasn't looking in the camera, so I'm sorry, copper paint from Tester's. Then in this cup I have a star white shimmer and a whole bunch of this crystal diamond glitter. I get these at Walmart. So my idea is to make a freeform bookmark for a journal. I don't know if I'm going to pull it off or not, but we're going to try. It's probably been 15 minutes or so since I mixed this up. Okay guys, I'm doing this over because I thought I was recording. I looked up on my phone and it was shut off. It completely shut off. So I'm just getting the resin off my gorgeous pen. Isn't that cute? You gotta love big diamonds, right? Alright, so I cut it down to a somewhat organic look. I left the cellophane on the back. And then I put it on top of my parchment paper like this. Okay. And then I laid it right here somewhere in the middle, and then I just pulled this over. Got some weird stuff happening here. Scratchy. It must be because the paper was not fully touching. That's alright, that's easily sandable. What do you think, guys? Is this a potential? I know it's not beautiful. It looks almost like marble. Let's see if we can make this better. I can't let it go. So I'm going to get my knife blade for my wood burning tool, and I'll be right back. So this is what my knife blade looks like, and we're just going to turn on the controller, and then we're going to turn on the actual knife blade all the way up to the hottest it will go. Let that heat up. While that's heating up, we're going to draw out our template. Not hot. All right, I got a different one, and this is heating up really well. This is all done. I'm going to add some UV resin to make this shiny. And I might add something else to the outside bit here. I'll see what I've got. Okay, I'm doing one side right now, and I wanted to just talk about what I'm using. This is new. I've never used it before, but it is a... It doesn't say. Here we go. Super Shine Top Coat, and it's a no wipe brand, so you shouldn't have any tackiness. And all UV resin like this will work in the sun. But if you're in a hurry and you want to have a lamp, FYI, you need at least a 36 watt. This one is a 42 or a 48, I can't remember. But it was only $20 off of Amazon, so that made me happy. Something else, and you may want to try this or you may not. This is just a bottle of alcohol that I spritz on sometimes before I apply, sometimes after. Okay, that cured nicely with just, what, 90 seconds. I was kind of worried that it might not. So now I will just brush on some more just to seal it so it doesn't come off. Okay. Get it back in the book. I like it now, guys. I don't have to pretend. There's my pen. We'll get a couple pages here and slide them through. Now I do have to pretend I have a journal. I don't have time to do a journal. I envy those who do. Look how pretty that is now. Oh my, I'm too close here. Let me see if I can back up. Is that better? A somewhat freeform bookmark for journals so that you can have a pen. I like it now. And I love this pen. You guys, this is so cute. I like it. Now I'm happy. I hope that this inspires you to make your own. You can make any shape you want. You could do the bottom piece a little longer, and then to accentuate the design, use any stencil you have if you have stencils, like I do. And then make this one shorter. And yeah, I think the next time I make one of these, I will use cellophane on both sides so that it will be shiny. So that hopefully I won't have to do any of the repair work like I did. It's not perfect, but I love it. This was just my first go, and I'm happy. Very cool idea as far as, at least I think it's a cool idea. I don't know if anybody else has ever done it before, but I like using this X-Acto knife with my resin pieces, because once this heats up, if it's a little thicker like this is, I just take my heat gun or an embossing tool, that's also a heat gun, heat it up for just a few seconds like you saw me do, and then it just slices like butter. No effort whatsoever. If it's little thin, like beads that drip on the back, if they're real thin, this will slice right through them as well. If it doesn't go through right away, like easy, just heat it up with a heat gun and then it'll slice it right off. It's easier for me to do it that way because I always tend to reach in really fast and pick at it, and I burn myself. So I just use the X-Acto knife. All right, thanks again, guys. I really appreciate you stopping. Love that. That chocolate is not really chocolate. It looks like copper to me. Ha! I'm happy now. Yay! All right. Don't forget to like and share this video if you are inspired to do this with your friends. And subscribe if you haven't already. Click that little bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, love you. Bye-bye.